Alright, YouTubers, gonna answer a couple questions about how I made my humidifier here, which this just basically a bucket. This is a 4-inch inline fan. It's Vivo Sun. Got it off of Amazon. Basically, small 4-inch inline fan, 100 CFM, blows air into the bucket, and it runs all the time. And it runs into the bucket where I have 2 pond foggers that have floats on them, so they stay just about an inch above or below the water at all times. Drilled 2 holes inside the bucket to run the wires through. The floats come with these little plugs, so drill your hole the same size as your plug. And those wires run out to a 4-way receptacle I just made, which plugs in to my ink bird here, which controls the humidity. I'm sure you guys know about ink birds at this point. If not, you can look them up. There's plenty of videos on ink birds. So yep, so air is forced in from a little inline fan, blows air into the bucket, which has pond foggers that are creating the humidity, which the positive pressure inside the bucket forces the humid air out of the other 4-inch duct, which forces humid air into my fruiting chamber. Kind of hard to see, but it blows humid air into my FC here. FC stands for fruiting chamber. These are some shiitakes I need to give about another day, and then they'll be going to market. One little gray oyster, pinning real well. The other 2, not so much yet. But yep. So yep, that's in short really all there is to know. A little AC unit that I use to keep the air in here and kind of somewhat blow cool air towards my humidifier, keep it cooler in there. I keep the rest of this building cool to about 80, so I use the AC unit to make up the difference, because 80 degrees is not cool enough to grow mushrooms or colonize mushrooms, which my colonizing blocks back here running a little low. Need to inoculate some more, which is up next. Alright, that's all I got for you. Till next time.